Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, got a real treat for you, man. We have this is a gorgeous car. 1967 Chevrolet Chevy 2 True 118 Super Sport car, and a gorgeous car, guys. Factory Bolero red. It's got all new black Deluxe interior. Car just underwent a Rotisserie Restoration, and super nice, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Gentleman said there's hardly any miles on the car since he got it done, and it is slick. Hard car to really nitpick. He paid $2,000, guys, for the NOS tail panel on this car. They don't reproduce that, so it's very hard to find. Again, factory Bolero red car. You can see it's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the factory rally wheels with the flat caps, which I really like. I like the flat caps better than the top hats. Great looking car, man. Like I say, not a car that's easy to nitpick, man. This thing is very nice. That's just a little bug or something. New chrome and stainless. Pretty car. Car's got gorgeous paint on it. There's some little, I think this is original back glass. It is, and there was a couple, that's a little smudge, but I saw a couple little scratches in it, but that is an original rear glass. Boy, they did a nice job restoring this car. Again, he paid $2,000 for the tail panel. Sorry, someone put their hand on there. These look original. Well, that car is nice and flat down the sides. Sits good. That's a nice car. Now, when they did the rotisserie, they just painted the floors shiny black. They didn't do it in body color. I know that says 350 horse on the air cleaner, but this is actually a 327 300 horse engine. Edelbrock 4-barrel. You can see it's got the polished intake. It's got the ram's horn, high performance exhaust manifolds. It's got the factory GM double hump heads, finned aluminum valve covers. It's got power steering. It has power factory drum brakes. That's how they came. It's got a 350 turbohydramatic transmission. Look how detailed this car is in here. Very nicely done. That is a pretty car. And all we really did was wipe it down. It was ready to go. Just a slick car, guys. They've definitely had to replace that. Look how nice that 8-pillar chrome is. New mirrors, stainless is all new, new door handles, new window fuzzies, new door rubbers. Somebody has spent some money building this car. Oh, I love the Deluxe interior. New carpet, new sill plates. For some reason I can't speak today. Bucket seats, console. It's got the factory SS steering wheel. Headliner's all new. Dash is nice, all factory. 79,835. That's supposed to be the original miles, but he said there is just a few hundred miles on this car since it was restored. It's got the aftermarket AM/FM radio, dual exhaust, stock 10-bolt rear end, no big gear, like a I think 323 is what these came with. I mean, everywhere you look, this car is nice. There's a factory jack in here. There's a rally spare with a BFG on it. Car cover goes with it. You can see it's all spackle coated like it should be. Really nicely done car. And everything clicks shut. I mean, that's a nice car. That's just a good quality build right there. Again, I can't tell you it's body color underneath or anything like that. They just painted the floors black, but I took some pictures of the underside for you. You can see how clean the floors are. Jams are just as slick as can be. Seats have all been repadded, refoamed. Padded dash. If you want to nitpick something, it looks like that, you know, is original chrome on that steering wheel, so it's not all brand new. They've replaced all that. Yeah, look how nice that 8-pillar chrome is. Car just runs, drives, sweet as can be. They have converted it to a ETI distributor. Just hits the road great. That is a pretty car. That's just some water spots, guys. Fuel gauge works. That's really all it's got in there. They're pretty simple. Oh, I don't know if you guys can really see. The sun is directly behind me. Got power. It doesn't look like we're getting a station. Lower motor work. Definitely powers up. Lower motor works. Again, everything just clicks shut. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Boy, that is just a quality car.